All right, so the students helping you begin to tell you of the scholarship that they have applied to by joining FFA. So let's go ahead and click there. So step 4 is your scholarship information, right? So you're going to turn your head to the student that was starting to tell you about the scholarship info. FFA is a great way to earn money to go to college. There are monetary rewards for participating in some of the events, and they offer unique scholarships as well. The application process is pretty simple, and they determine which scholarships you qualify for. So you only have to fill out the form once. All right, the thought of extra money for college is pretty exciting. You pick up the information sheets to find out more. So you are going to read both of them, all right? So you're going to look at the scholarship opportunities from last year, and then you're going to look at this parent form, okay? And there is going to be some different links and stuff for you in there, but so make sure that you are reading that one as well. All right, and then we've got the process to apply for scholarships through FFA. Seems fairly straightforward. You want to find out what opportunities are available, so you page through the FFA scholarship catalog. So here's the scholarship information. So you're going to navigate to see what resources FFA can provide, finding financial resources for college, and then the FFA scholarship catalog. So use that document to see what requirements you need for applying to various scholarships and awards through FFA. So you aren't quite sure if FFA is right, but you'd hate to give up the opportunity for applying for scholarships. So task 4. You're going to research the scholarships available through FFA and collect the data on the organization that offers the scholarship. The money they award, as well as other requirements or restrictions to be eligible for the funds. It is important to start building time management skills before you leave high school so you are better prepared to navigate the world of adulting. Create an event in your calendar for when you will complete the scholarship application. Invite me to the event so I can help you achieve your goal. You may use the Google Sheets PBA 1.C scholarship applications to complete this task, or you may create your own video or other artifact, but must submit your final product to the classroom assignment and follow the requirements below. So you're going to research at least 10 of the scholarships covered in the FFA catalog. You're going to have the name of the actual organization that is awarding the scholarship, the amount of money that's awarded, whether or not there's GPA requirements, or if an FFA membership is needed, because some of them they won't be, restrictions or other requirements to be eligible. Some must be a certain gender or live in a certain state. Link the organization scholarship page. So find out on the website, you're going to have to do some searching. If Toyota's giving you a scholarship, you're going to need to find that scholarship information on Toyota's website. So see if you can find it on a, like not FFA, but through that organization. So that way you know where and how to apply for that. And then you're going to create a new event in your calendar to complete the scholarship app. Invite me as a guest to your calendar event for when you will complete the scholarship application. So I said we could use PBA 1.C. So I'm going to go back into my FFA. Here's 1.C. You're going to discover that I've made you just a Google Sheets. So you put the company, money awarded, GPA requirement. If I need membership, I can click that box. If I don't, boom. Any restrictions, some of them are also going to be your age, and then the link. So again, if I am going to get a scholarship through Culver's or something, I'm going to do a Google search. And so let's say I think Toyota has one, so I can go Toyota FFA scholarship. It might be Ford. All right, so here's Toyota apply for FFA scholarships. That gives me the FFA one. Let's see, college scholarships, Toyota UNCF scholarship program. That's interesting. There we go, Town Toyota Center. All right, FFA Town Toyota Center. So let's see where that one is. And there's the application. You may need, so this one's in Washington, so you may just even need to call up your local Toyota dealer if you're interested in it. Chances are there's not a lot of FFA members in our area, so you call up the Toyota dealer, you're probably going to get that scholarship. All right, so that would be the information there that we want to have. All right, and then evaluate your performance. So once I've completed that, I'm going to evaluate how this WebQuest went, right? So just fill out that information. It's only 4 short pages. This is really self-evaluation for you, right? To see how much effort you actually put into it, but also to see what needs to be tweaked or improved for next year. As I said, I've spent over 20 hours making and creating this for you with all the different elements. So if you just flew by it in 5 minutes, like, you shouldn't have. So I want to know how I can make it more enticing or more appropriate, or something that's more fun for you to do, or at least keeps your interest a little bit more. Okay, so definitely here's your evaluation, and then as you turn your back, you are handed an iPad to complete a short survey. So click here. And here's your conclusion. So this is the whether or not you want to be a member. So go ahead and complete that. So that is part of the tasks below. So make sure you do complete that survey. Again, read all of the information. Please read everything. And then there's even a link for the dues. So if you were unsure, but now you're not, you can click on that link and you can pay your $20 dues for FFA. Again, if you are getting free lunch at your homeschools, complete the fee waiver and you will get your both vet assisting and your FFA fees waived. And then here's continue your journey into FFA, and then this is going to send you to the FFA website so you can just navigate and have fun there. Okay. All right. So that is that. If you have other questions, email me.